Okay, so we're at this screen of adding the sample batch. We've already put the information in. So now all we need to do is hit OK. And then we're here. Last time we showed you the wizard, which is beneficial sometimes, but this one, I use this 9 times out of 10 because the client usually will submit a list of their samples. So that's this here. Just going to open it up, copying the samples that are in.
And you right click on that?
Yeah, right click here, brings up this menu, which is, and then I just copy.
Gotcha.
Or you can do Control C, it does the same thing.
Okay.
So you hold Control, hit C.
Gotcha.
It's the same exact thing. Okay, so I'll close these now, come back to this screen, and then so it's copied to the clipboard in the computer, so it's not visible, but it's there, it's saved. And then all I'm going to do is hit paste here. There's our 17 samples that we just copied.
Beautiful.
And then receive all. That's important. You hit receive all, then you hit OK. It does its things. Yeah. It's bringing the samples over. It's adding the samples to the RQCs to the samples. So that's done. So now we can go, so let's go working view on the one that we just inserted, which is this one. Working view. This is where you insert the weights.
Yep.
Client jobs. Click on the fire assay. Setup. You'll see prep blank A, B, C, original, and prep 2.
Nice.
And they're all getting the gold fire assay AA. Okay, that's it.
Okay.